So here we have a replaced motherboard, Asus H510, I believe it is. It only has 2 RAM slots, unfortunately. Your previous one had 4, but there was no other motherboard that was available to in this price range to take this processor. So I went for this motherboard to keep the cost down as much as I could. The other thing is I notice you've got 2 less USB ports. Sometimes very difficult to get a complete match. This is a different brand of motherboard. This is Asus. I think Asus are actually one of the best brands of motherboard to buy. Front USBs should work. That's all plugged in. So let's fire it up. There you go. So I've installed all the drivers for this motherboard, so it's all up to date, and it's good to go. There you go.